up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing The River by Bruce, the Boss. Fantastic song, very cool on the acoustic guitar. And not that hard. We just got some chords we got to keep track of. The switching. We got E minor, song is in E minor. 1, 2. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. D major. 2, 3. C major. A minor. 2, 3. I believe that's all the chords. E, G, D, C, and A minor. Alright, so the intro starts with picking E minor to G, D to C, A minor, G, and C. So that's the intro. If you want to pick it, 6, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. Yeah, that's the pattern. Same thing over G. Over D, you gotta pick 4. Same pattern, just start on 4. And then C, start on 5, same pattern. The intro is a little bit different from everything else. And then we have the verse, which goes E minor, G, D, C, E minor, G, C, C, to G, an F sharp there over G, E minor, and A minor, G, C, and then the band kicks in with the chorus, which is A minor, C, D to G, E minor, C to D. Quick C, D, C, and then we in with the band and verse. E to G, D to C, E minor to G, C to D, C, G, F sharp on G. Sorry. Verse again. D, C, E minor to G, C to G, C to G to F sharp to A, E minor, G and C, and the chorus. So it's easy chords, just a lot of switching and remember where to put the chords. So let's review this. Verses, E minor, G, D, D to C. Write it down if you can't remember it. And then next part, E minor to G, C to G, and then it's back to C, G, F sharp or G, E minor, and ends with A minor, G to C. Okay, every verse is like that. And then the choruses, E minor, C, D to G, E minor, C, D, and a quick C. Yeah. And the intro is different. That only happens one time in the beginning. So that's intro. A minor, G, C. Then he starts singing. All right, let's do one more verse and chorus with the band. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double chorus. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. Thank you.